The plank is one of the simplest exercises that you can do. It's simple in its appearance and the amount of steps involved in doing one. Being simple, though, does not mean that doing a plank is easy. A plank is a simple, but effective core exercise that helps you build stability and strength throughout your entire body. The plank is achievable in a number of different methods, but the main goal of the plank exercise will have you with your body perpendicular to the ground, stomach facing down, elevating your torso off the ground with either your elbows or hands. This exercise is perfect for those who lead a busy life and find it very difficult to go to the gym due to time constraints. Doing a plank every day, even just for a minute, helps strengthen your entire core. They are even more effective than crunches. Keep on watching to know 5 benefits of doing 1-minute plank every day. 1. Stronger core. While holding a plank, more than one muscle of your body is under exertion. Planks are highly beneficial to strengthen the muscles of your neck, shoulders, arms, abdomen, back, hips, and legs. When your core muscles strengthen, your overall health improves within no time. 2. Better posture. Since most of our work involves sitting and slouching on a chair, there is a high risk of poor posture. By performing a 1-minute plank daily, the structure of your back and spine improves. This, in turn, improves the posture and shape of your body. You can also happily bid goodbye to your back pain forever. 3. Increased metabolism. Doing a 1-minute plank is an all-in-one package when it comes to burning calories. Since it involves exertion of the entire body, you will burn fat easier and faster by doing a plank. If you're planning to lose weight, the plank workout alone can help you burn calories without the need for an extensive workout regimen. Say hello to faster weight loss. 4. Better balance and coordination. By performing a plank every day, in addition to the muscles, the bones and joints in your body get stronger. This will help you in balancing the body easily while standing for long hours. It also enhances the overall balance of the body during any movement. 5. Enhanced flexibility. For beginners, exercising for long periods or trying new postures might be challenging. The best way to begin your regimen is to start with a 1-minute plank for a month. Doing a plank improves flexibility in your muscles, which will hence help you in doing any other exercise or posture within a short time. Additionally, with improved flexibility, one can perform daily activities with greater ease. So, will you start doing planks tomorrow? If so, make sure to come back here and share your results after a month of regular planking. In the meantime, you can leave some comments below about this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more interesting facts on the human body. Subscribe to the channel.